Do you ever wish you had a way to earn money every month without working daily? Whether you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about passive income. And not just any ideas, but ones you can start today, right here in India. Make sure to watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing a special secret tip that can help you scale your earnings quickly. So, let's get started. The first passive income stream we're going to talk about today is one of the oldest tricks in the book, real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ria. I don't have that kind of money to be buying property. And you know what? You're absolutely right. But here's the thing. You don't need to buy a brand new property to get in on this game. Think about it. Do you have a spare room gathering dust? Maybe an unused parking space? What about that storage unit you haven't touched in years? These are all potential gold mines just waiting to be tapped into. In a bustling country like India, especially in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, or Bangalore, people are always on the lookout for affordable living spaces. Your spare room could be the perfect solution for a student, a young professional, or even someone just looking for a temporary stay. And the best part? You can list it on platforms like No Broker, 99 Acres, or even Airbnb for short-term rentals. But hey, maybe you're thinking even smaller. Fair enough. Even something as simple as renting out your parking space can bring in some serious side cash. In crowded cities, parking is a luxury. People are willing to pay a premium for a safe and secure spot. And if you happen to have commercial space like a shop or a warehouse that's not being utilized, well, you've hit the jackpot. These spaces are in high demand, and you can easily find businesses looking for a place to set up shop. Remember, passive income is all about leveraging assets you already have. So take a good look around. You might be surprised at what you can monetize. Now, let's move on to something a little more modern, a little more digital, and in my opinion, a whole lot more exciting. Selling digital products. Look, in the age of the internet, information is king. And guess what? You are sitting on a gold mine of information, whether you realize it or not. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a coding ninja, a photography enthusiast, or even a master chef in the making. These are all valuable skills that people are willing to pay for. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can potentially generate income forever. No need to worry about inventory, shipping, or any of that physical stuff. Let's say you're a graphic design pro. You could create stunning social media templates, website themes, or even printable art prints that people can download instantly. Or maybe you're a coding guru. You could develop online courses teaching others how to code, build websites, or create apps. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Gumroad, and even Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing make it incredibly easy to create, list, and sell your digital products to a global audience. The potential here is limitless. So dust off those skills, put on your creative hats, and start building your digital empire. Now this next passive income stream is for all my camera-shy friends out there who thought they could never be in front of the camera. Let me tell you, you don't have to be the next big YouTube star to make money on this platform. Yes, you heard that right. Starting a YouTube channel can be a legitimate source of passive income. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you love talking about for hours on end? It could be anything from travel and food to finance and technology. The key here is to provide value to your viewers. Share your knowledge, your experiences, your unique perspective on the world. People are always hungry for engaging and informative content. And if you can provide that consistently, you'll build a loyal following in no time. Now, how do you actually make money from this? Once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can monetize your channel through ads. And as your channel grows, you can explore other avenues like sponsorships, brand deals, and even selling your own products or services. But Ria, you might be thinking, isn't starting a YouTube channel a lot of work? And you know what? You're right, it does take effort, especially in the beginning. But here's the beauty of it. Once you create a video, it's out there forever, working for you 24/7, generating views, subscribers, and potentially income. So, find your niche, grab your phone, and start filming. You never know, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Okay, let's shift gears a bit and talk about a passive income stream that's near and dear to my heart: investing. Now, I'm not talking about day trading or trying to time the market. That's not passive, that's a full-time job. I'm talking about putting your money to work for you in a way that generates consistent, long-term returns. And two of my favorite ways to do that are through dividend-paying stocks and mutual funds. Let's start with dividends. When you invest in a dividend-paying stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company that shares its profits with its shareholders. So every quarter or so, you get a little paycheck just for owning that stock. It's like clockwork. Now, mutual funds are a bit different. They pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and potentially generate more consistent returns over time. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. There are tons of great resources available online, and even robo-advisors that can help you create a personalized investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. But remember, investing always carries some level of risk. Do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, this next passive income stream is perfect for all my social butterflies out there: affiliate marketing. If you love trying new products, sharing your recommendations with others, and have a knack for social media, then listen up. Affiliate marketing is essentially getting paid to promote other people's products or services. You sign up for an affiliate program, get a unique referral link, and then share that link with your audience through your blog, social media posts, or even email marketing. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics of running an online business. You're simply connecting your audience with products or services they might be interested in and earning a commission for your efforts. And there are tons of great affiliate programs out there for just about every niche imaginable. Amazon Associates, Flipkart Affiliate, and Share a Sale are just a few examples. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be authentic, build trust with your audience, and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. For all my creative souls out there, this next passive income stream is for you: creating and selling digital assets. Now, what exactly are digital assets? They're essentially any digital file that can be downloaded or used online, such as stock photos, videos, music, sound effects, website themes, graphic templates, and even software plugins. The beauty of digital assets is that you create them once, and you can sell them over and over again without having to create anything new. It's like printing money while you sleep. Think about it. If you're a photographer, you can sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, or Adobe Stock. If you're a musician, you can sell your music on platforms like Epidemic Sound, Audio Jungle, or even Bandcamp. And if you're a graphic designer, you can create and sell website themes, social media templates, or even printable wall art on websites like Creative Market, Etsy, or even your own website. The demand for high-quality digital assets is constantly growing. So if you have a creative skill set and an eye for design, this could be the perfect passive income stream for you. Okay, this last passive income stream is not for the faint of heart, but it has the potential to generate some serious passive income if you're up for the challenge developing apps and games. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ria, I'm not a software engineer. I can't code an app. And you know what? You're right. You don't have to be a coding genius to create a successful app or game. There are tons of great resources available online that can teach you the basics of app development, or you can even hire a freelance developer to help you bring your app idea to life. The key here is to come up with an app idea that solves a problem, provides entertainment, or adds value to people's lives. Once you have your app or game developed, you can launch it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and start generating revenue through ads, in-app purchases, or even subscription fees. Now, I'm not going to lie, app development can be a competitive space, but if you can create a truly unique and engaging app or game, the potential rewards can be huge. So, if you've got an app idea brewing in the back of your mind, don't be afraid to pursue it. You never know, you might just create the next big thing. So friends, these were today's 7 practical and effective passive income ideas. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Remedy Roots. I'll see you next time with another amazing video. Until then, stay happy and keep learning.